Today's featured car of the day is a 1967 MGB GT Coupe. And this one, I'll read off the seller's statement at the auction. And the seller stated 4-cylinder engine with dual SU carbs, manual 4-speed transmission, one repaint in stock YL-12 pale primrose paint, stock original black interior with white piping, 5 original wire wheels, knockoff hammer and jack in the trunk, very clean original BGT, believed to be 78,000 original low miles. And it sold for $9,275 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a nice looking car. For being an original survivor, it was definitely nice, except for the paint job. I guess it would be a semi-survivor, you could call it, since it wasn't restored, it just was repainted. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1967 MGB GT Coupe in pale primrose paint, survivor with one paint job, or I guess you would call it unrestored with a paint job, with 78,000 miles, with a 4-cylinder and a 4-speed, and it sold for $9,275 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.